Jamaica's senior women's football team has moved a step closer to qualification for the FIFA Women's World Cup after advancing to the CONCACAF round of qualifying following a 4-1 win over Trinidad and Tobago on Friday night. Jordan Fort reports.
Coming off comfortable wins over Bermuda and Antigua and Barbuda, the Reggae Girls knew that at least on paper, this would be their toughest test yet. And that test got even tougher when they conceded for the first time in the 10th minute when Kayla, her team, was able to come from behind.
I've got a lot of support from my community this game, and I mean, the crowd has helped us because even when we were down, they were still with us, and I think that's what helped us, because even when we went into the locker room at halftime, we told ourselves, hey, we got another 45 minutes and we got to give her all. And we came out, we said, let's take it a goal at a time, and we got the first goal early, and I think that's what gave us the momentum.
In Haiti, we're down 2-0. We came back and then got the result that we needed. But, all credit goes to our fitness coach. I mean, Will's done an unbelievable job with these girls. Our fitness showed, and we're here to play 90.
We actually came into the game with a plan. We thought for a while it was working well, where we looked at the strengths of Jamaica, and they do have strengths. And we thought we can eliminate these strengths. We did not know for how long. The first half I thought we were disciplined, but as we got a little bit jaded, we lost some of that discipline, and we weren't able to keep it for 90 minutes, and you'd realize the goals came to the end of the game.
Jamaica will face Cuba in their final match of the round tomorrow at the National Stadium. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.